Screen vocal levels. The most important aspect of screen acting. When you are on screen, if you are seen as a full figure, a long shot, ls, the audience sort of expects you to be speaking as if you were in a large theater. If you are seen down to your waist, a medium shot, ms, you will be expected to be speaking as if you were in a small theater. Just your head and shoulders, a medium close-up, mcu, and the audience expects realistic speech from you, as if you were just speaking naturally, and if your face fills the screen, a big close-up, bcu, then you will be expected to speak as if you were on a pillow next to each member of the audience, or your lips were just 2 inches from their ears. Applying this to the way you speak means that you should vary the level of projection, not according to the usual criteria of how far away you are from the person you are speaking to, or how big the theater is, but according to the size of shot you are in. And the best way of establishing that is to notice where the boom is, the microphone picking up the sound levels, and to project, not according to where the person is that you are speaking to but according to where the microphone is. This is an odd feeling, remember, on screen your feelings are no longer the clear guide that they can be on stage, but it is how major stars work. Watch some movie clips with such stars as Harrison Ford or Scarlett Johansson, and you will realize that they practically never project to the person they are speaking to but project to the size of shot. Be particularly careful when using an accent not your own. There will be a tendency to overproject when using such a voice. It is interesting to see those really experienced film actors, such as Gregory Peck in The Guns of Navarone, who, when needing to raise their voice in anger, actually keep the same low vocal level, but wave their arms about angrily instead. The golden rule then is to keep your vocal levels intimate, so try to keep what you are doing in the range of what all the other performers in your cast are doing, and remember this life belt: never act louder than the star. We use the word act deliberately, because you might have to shout at the star in character, of course, but in general your average vocal levels should not be higher than those who command the highest salaries, or be greater than those whose names have the greatest pulling power.